just got a freaking sun reflector thing. It's the thing that goes on the windshield and it like blocks the sun from coming in, and it makes your car cooler and preserves the dashboard a little bit so it doesn't get all sun dried out and nasty. So what else? Oh shoot, messed that one up, didn't I? Okay. Another thing we're doing today is I'm gonna go to my girlfriend Abigail's house, and we are going to go to Richmond, Indiana to go to TJ Maxx and look for fanny packs. Pretty excited though. They're pretty practical if we're being honest, because I'm a lifeguard now. It's my first year being a lifeguard, and they have the fanny packs, and I just pulled my whistle out and like put it back in as I was walking. No pockets, just unzip, put it in there and zip it right back up. I felt like a G. So I'm looking into getting a fanny pack maybe, but I don't know. I asked my fashion associate John Altum, and he let me know that it'd be risky to get one, but I don't know. I might take that risk. But we'll see. And if you like this hat representing my church, Community of Faith, I go to the Eaton campus. Just look up Community of Faith in Eaton, Ohio. No, I think you can order a hat probably. Actually, maybe not. I don't know. But check it out. Services in Eaton, Lewisburg, or Arcanum. We have 3 campuses every Sunday morning. So if you need any more info, just, shoot me a comment or whatever you want, and I'll answer it. If you have my Twitter or Instagram, DM me. I'd be happy to give you some more information about our church. But anyway, we're gonna go shop for some fanny packs.
Are you vlogging or taking a picture?
Vlogging.
Oh, dang.
Yeah, she thought I wasn't going to vlog today.
Yeah, because you always say you're going to, and you never do.
Yeah, because I'm not good at it.
Yeah, I know.
But we're gonna work through the paint. She got me out of my car with an umbrella. She's a real gentleman.
Yes, I am. Do we want an ad for 30 minutes?
Goodness.
Of ad-free music?
Pay for Spotify.
Because oh, we got a good song. Stop.
What is it?
I don't know. Green car.
Shh, copyright. We're here at TJ Maxx. Are you excited to look at fanny packs?
I'm not excited that we can't listen to G-Eazy. So.
Yeah, shout out to G-Eazy. If you don't already listen to G-Eazy, you should, because he's pretty good, I guess. I enjoy listening to him, but you listen to whoever you want to.
Are you ready to find this fanny pack? Can we do a montage of like me walking into the store?
A montage of you walking into the store?
Yes.
What does that even mean?
Like, you do it in like slow-mo, and I'll like do some cool jumps and stuff, and then
I feel like
you'll add music to it. Like a montage. Are you ready? It's kind of hot in here.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Hold on, let me take my keys off.
I didn't mean to bring this in.
Oh my gosh, put it back in the car.
I think I locked the car.
Great. Now you have to get your keys out of your backpack. Great, good job. This is why it takes 2 hours to do anything. I'm just kidding. She's amazing and perfect.
I just like to drink my water, and sometimes I forget that it's in my hand, and I bring it to places when I don't actually want it.
They don't have any fanny packs, which I guess is fine. I have no idea. I have no knowledge about fanny packs, so I don't really know where to go to get them.
You know, they're just coming back in style. We should have checked your 21. That is some quality merchandise right there.
Yeah, but they would have been girly, and I'm not a girl.
There's a boy section.
In Rue 21?
Yes! Half of it's boys and half of it's girls.
I feel like it's not.
Okay, well, I would show you, but no.
So we're gonna go to Dayton.
Yep.
And
play some racquetball.
Family.
Eat some food.
You say it then. Yeah.
We're gonna play some racquetball, eat some food, maybe listen to some jazz music, and find a fanny pack. But the goal today is to find a fanny pack.
We're on a hunt for the fanny pack.
Okay, can I play my song now?
Yeah. We're
Okay.
gonna go so she can play her song. Going back into Ohio.
Oh my goodness!
We're coming home. Woo! Okay. An hour later, we're finally at the Dayton Mall. I fell
Andrew
asleep
took a
in
little
the
nap.
car. We're still gonna look for a freaking fanny pack, which we're probably not gonna find.
I think
and
we'll find it.
we're gonna
really...
look for shoes also.
Oh, and dogs.
And dogs, maybe.
No, we're
Oh,
going to
actually,
pet
I've
dogs.
been here before.
Yeah, we're gonna pet dogs.
We found a woman's one.
It was.
It's Michael Kors.
I mean, I could wear it.
Yeah, do you want it?
It's Michael Kors, so it's gonna be like $10.
Yeah, we're on the bargain hunt also.
We really are.
Bargain hunt and fanny pack hunt, and this is my first time recording in a
Public.
store.
Oh.
I guess, yeah, kind of in public too, so it's kind of
Wow.
weird. No spoilers, but in Deadpool there is a fanny pack. So
Let's show them that one. Wait, is there any here? No. Okay, we'll show them the one we found.
yeah, those are fanny packs right there, but they're pretty sure they're women's.
I don't think so.
Yeah, look. Fanny pack.
Oh, ew, that's a weird fanny pack. No, that's a.
Oh, look at these fanny
That
packs,
is such
bro.
a weird fanny pack.
These fanny packs, dog. I need to find a woman's fanny pack that doesn't look like a woman's fanny pack. You know what I'm saying?
Okay. Oh, they locked it
You got the thing all messed up there.
on. It's okay.
Oh, that's a big one.
I know. It's really
All right,
practical.
let's get it. Wow, look at that.
Now we're gonna go to Journeys and look there.
Okay. Off to Journeys so I can smell it, guys. I really don't want to buy one off the internet just because I want to see it and feel it. Did we complete our mission?
I don't know. You tell me.
Yeah, we did. Look at that. Here, I'll give you a good, better view of it.
Wait. I don't know where I parked.
We went through like 3 different stores and didn't really find anything that good. And then we went to Journeys and this guy was wearing one. Like, he asked us, he was like, what do you need? And we were like, we're looking for fanny packs. And he was wearing one and he was like, oh yeah, I just bought one this morning. He was like, it was an impulse buy. And so he was like, I can check in the back if we have any. And then he came back out and he was like, I bought the last one this morning, I guess. And we were like, oh, that sucks. And then he said, we'll sell it, or I'll sell it for you for $15. I bought it for $18. And he was like, I'll sell it for you for $15 cash right now. So I said, okay. I gave it to him and I checked it out and he gave me the ticket, like the card thing that he bought it with.
It was originally
And-
18, so we got a deal right there.
Yeah, $3 off, bro. Always bargaining. But yeah,
Always bargaining with me.
so it's basically brand new. We got it.
Transport, so we
Freaking
can match my
love it.
backpack.
Yeah, look, we match, guys. Wow. So that's pretty cool.
And I found one, but it was $30, and they convinced me not to get it because I can just get one from Amazon.
She wants something.
spicy.
She doesn't want a black one. She wants something that's cooler than a black one. So
people will see and be like, whoa.
whoa, she's cool like that.
Yep.
So I convinced her to just get one off of Amazon because it's cheaper. So we got it, guys. We did our mission. We completed it. Great job. A little fist bump.
Now, where are we going?
Now we're going to the Troll Pub with her family, and we're gonna eat, and then we're gonna go home and do homework because we're in high school and we have summer work to do. So that's fun.
We're in the heart of Dayton right now.
Yeah. So I have 6% left. So this is the last video segment for this day. And we just got done with the jazz festival, something like that.
Oh.
We're in Dayton. And
Look at the
we
camera.
had a pretty eventful weekend. This has
Yeah.
been pretty fun.
Spending lots of money.
Hope you guys enjoyed. I mean, have a blessed
Like
day.
and subscribe. Have a
Like
nice
and
day.
subscribe.